After banks, now mining industry in Australia has also started going big on artificial intelligence. BHP is one of the biggest mining companies in Australia and of course in the world too. BHP has teamed up with Microsoft to improve copper recovery from its Escondida mine in Chile, the world's biggest copper mine, by using machine learning and artificial intelligence. BHP estimates the world needs to double the amount of copper produced over the next 30 years to keep pace with the development of decarbonization technologies such as electric vehicles, offshore wind, and solar farms. Finding and building new mines is costly, difficult, and can take upwards of a decade, so miners are looking to next gen technologies to reap more metal out of existing mines and processes. BHP has always been at the forefront of using the new technology, and artificial intelligence is no exception. Using real-time data from plants that process ore in combination with AI-based recommendations from Microsoft Azure platform, plant operators will have the ability to adjust variables that affect ore processing and grade recovery. BHP, which is, as I said, world's biggest miner, is a majority owner of Escondida, and it operates the mine with partners Rio Tinto and also Chaco Group, which are also looking to get into artificial intelligence. So I believe that in the next few months and couple of years, there will be a lot more artificial intelligence jobs in the mining sector. And it's just a matter of time before they introduce the same technology in Australian mines. I hope that was useful. Thanks for listening.